Okay, I'm here again, guys, and I'm bagging these pellets that I made the other day, and I want to show you another way of bagging it because I need to use this sewing machine or bag closer. The Chinese called it bag closer. Now I'm putting uh, I'm putting a tag or a label like this hug partner because people when I'm selling it keep on asking on everything. Now at least what I'm going to do is put a tag, what's in it, how many crude protein, and maybe my Bosnian guy will says it's a little bit professional now. Not totally professional, but at least they have something to read about it. And I'm still learning to use it because when I just run it, it goes everywhere. So it should be little by little so it won't jump. Right there. Now, like that. Oh, come on. Hmm. Mom, out. Kitty, kitty. You see, I have a small kitten in here. Yeah, they look good now. At least. And, you know, that's why I want to move everything in the front barn because the front barn I have more space there than here. So that sooner or later I have room here in the front to use, and it's a little bit better to me because from it's too much lifting to me if it's in here. So I hope it will make my life a little easier. Okay. There you go. I already bag it earlier because if I show you how I bag it, it's gonna take a while. And a lot of my video shows already how to bag this. So now what I'm showing is how I close it with the tag. Now here, look, I have another kitten in here. They are like 5 week old. So at least, yeah, it's like a little easier this way to close the bag. But since I'm new to this, the other video, I said, I see how they use it, but I never use it. I just saw it. Now, still, I'm in a learning curve. So, I have a little problem with the bag because, yeah, it fits, but it's very, very exact. It's a little bit tight to close it, and I cannot find the size that, you know, because this is 17 by 20, 17 by 30. I need at least 18 by 32 or 18 by 36. I cannot find it in Amazon, but pretty sure there is, but I don't know where to get it. See? Whew. Yeah, yeah. Hey. Go to your mama. Your mama is there. Your mama is there. Huh? Why it cut off? Here. This one got cut off. Okay. That's about it for now. And I'm just showing the use of the sewing machine or bag closer plus adding up a tag on the bag. Now I have another one here, but this is for the scratch drain. Okay, so next time, that's the one that I will try to learn how to do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.